Okay, let's get started. Buttermilk chicken. I like to use this chicken fried batter from Louisiana Style. It's really good. You cannot go wrong using this. Sometimes when you come home from work, you're in a hurry, you want to get that chicken going. You don't want to be messing around with trying to figure out the salt and pepper, extra seasoning. But sometimes I put a little extra seasoning in this chicken anyway. And the buttermilk, use cultured buttermilk. This one I made a mistake and got 2%. Just make sure you shake it up real good. But cultured buttermilk is better. Wash and clean the chicken, which I did. Now I'm going to pat it dry. It's very important to pat it dry because that's going to help the crunch. Okay, it's going to keep the chicken very crunchy. I also like to put foil in my bowl and crumble it up so I can catch the oil so my chicken won't sit in the oil. Or you can just put it on cooling racks, it's fine. But I like doing this. So I'm going to make sure that my chicken is saturated. And the other parts of chicken are okay, but I like chicken thighs. So I'm going to try to get 3 or 4 in my oil. You don't want to crowd the chicken because it kind of messes with the crunch. And to me, the best part of the chicken is the crunch. So I'm going to make sure I get all the batter on my chicken thighs. Get it all nice and saturated and floury, and put it in very carefully. You should always put in your chicken in the oil where it is popping away from you. I remember as a little girl, my dad would say, you can't be afraid of the grease popping on you, but you make sure you be safe about it. Yeah, my dad was a good cook. Taught me a lot. I learned a lot from him. I was second cook, and you know what that means. I had cleanup duty as he cooked. It was a lot of fun. So I am going over to wash my hands. In this video and a lot of videos, I wash my hands a lot. It's very important to keep your hands clean when you're cooking chicken and other meats because you don't want to touch, cabinets, seasoning, and your hands are not clean. So I wash my hands a lot, over and over again. But it's just safety for my family. So the chicken is looking real good. I put it in, just checking it. I like to check the bottom of my chicken because I don't want the bottom of the chicken to burn. Sometimes if you don't have enough oil in the pan, it will burn on the bottom. So I'm flipping my chicken over, checking at the bottom. I like to just give my chicken, if I have enough oil in it, it only needs to flip over once, maybe twice. It doesn't need to be flipped over and over again. But there's my chicken. It's looking good. So it's about time to take out this chicken. I'm probably washing my hands again. But that chicken looks really, really good and crispy. The crunch is going to be wonderful. Okay, so now I am going to put in another, I believe 4 pieces. I have enough oil to cover it good. So once again, I'm putting it in carefully. So look at that. They all fit in and it's enough oil to cover them. The wonders of videos is done already. Okay, that looks good. The crunch is wonderful. This is good on chicken wings too. I made some chicken wings a couple weeks ago and it was marvelous. Okay, got my fork in. I kept the heat on medium-high for the first 3 batters, and I noticed the oil was getting really hot, so I turned it down just a bit. That looks scrumptious and ready to eat. So I made greens and cornbread to go with this. My cornbread and my greens will be on a different video, so be sure to watch and let me know if you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Hit my bell. You're gonna love this chicken. Perfect no-fail chicken.